So there was nothing particularly special or secret about my grandpa's carrot cake. It was just moist and tasty. Everybody loved it. He would always serve it in an 11x7 rectangular pan with one coating of cream cheese and serve it right out of that pan. And looks matter. So we're gonna dress it up. I'm gonna double his recipe. I'm gonna make 3 tiers. I'm gonna put his cream cheese icing in between the tiers. Then I'm gonna cover the whole thing with buttercream icing and then dress it up with some decoration and some piping. So I think it's gonna look great. These are actual pinches instead of the pinch measuring cup. These can be added all at once. Open them up, slide these into there. Let's see how they look now. Perfect. There we go, there we go, there we go, and there we go. The salt is unexpected, but it's actually quite nice in here. Try to center it up nicely here. That looks about right to me. More icing sugar on that. Roll this out as you would a dough or Play-Doh once again.